Plants are adaptable to different climatic conditions. Some plants are very tolerant to harsh sun, like cactus. Some plants are tolerant to chilling temperature. So, according to this adaptability, plants are classified into sun tolerant plants and winter tolerant plants. Plants that grow well in the Western Ghats cannot grow well in the temperate regions. Therefore, it becomes very important for you to select the plants that suits in your climatic conditions. Hi everyone, welcome to Trust Basket. I am Kirti. In our gardening episodes, we will educate you from basics to the master level. In today's episode, we will be discussing how to select plants according to your climate and weather condition. By the end of this video, you will be able to select plants according to the availability of light and temperature in your zone. So let's get started. If you are living in a high temperature zone, you can select different kinds of flowers, fruits and vegetables that grow really well under high temperature. So some of the examples of flowering plants which can grow well under high temperature are canna lily, rhododendron, fountain grass and purple coneflower, hollyhock, because these plants really perform well under high temperature zone. There are many hardy vegetables that can be grown under high temperature. Some of the examples for sun tolerant vegetables are sweet potato, okra, peas, corn, cucumber, squash, spinach, eggplant, hot pepper, bell pepper and list goes like this. You can select these kind of plants if you are living in a high temperature zone because these plants perform really well under high temperature. If you want to grow some fruit plants in high temperature zone, you can select guava, burr, fig, pomegranate, papaya and mango. Because these plants are very hardy and they can resist the high temperature and grow really well. So if you are living in a very high temperature zone, without doubt you can easily go for these kinds of plants. If you are living in a low temperature zones, there are many plants which are adaptable to very low temperature. So some of the examples of winter tolerant flowering plants are hostas, wintergrass boxwood, coral bells, primrose and pansy. Other than these plants, you can go for petunia and cineraria. These are winter annual flowering plants. So these plants grow really well under the very low temperature zone. In the place where temperature falls down drastically, there are many vegetables that can be grown under this condition. Some of the examples for winter hardy vegetables are cabbage, cauliflower, radishes, carrots, beets and turnips. If you want to grow fruits under lower temperature, you could go with apple, pear, peach, plum and kiwi fruit because these plants grow really well in cooler temperature zones. Whatever may be the climate and weather condition in your region, in nature there are certain plants which are adaptable to specific environment. So if you want to succeed in gardening, you have to choose the right kind of plants for your place. If you want to know more about a specific plant, whether it can be grown in your region or not, please comment below the region and the plant you would like to grow so that we could help you in making decisions on the right selection of plants. If you want to grow plants in unconventional areas, that means if you are living in Karnataka and want to grow bunny-ear cactus in your home, you can grow it, but as you know, cactus plants are not native to the Karnataka and they belong to the desert areas. So if you want to grow them in your home, you have to artificially provide the dry conditions to grow those plants well. That means cactus wants very less water, dry potting media and dry humid conditions. So in your home, you have to artificially provide all these requirements. You have to water only once in 3 to 4 weeks and planting in a well-draining potting media, and you have to place the cactus plants in a well-aerated place and you have to place in a well sunshine area. So this is called as providing artificial environment for your plants. If you are living in Rajasthan and you like to keep orchids in your home, then you have to provide the necessary environment that orchid wants to grow. That means orchids loves high humidity of 60 to 80% and letting the potting media dry between watering, and it don't like to sit in a waterlogged condition. You have to provide full sunshine and good amount of orchids food. This means you have to mist your plants frequently to maintain the good humidity level in your home. Use the perforated pots or slit pots with some box, charcoal and wood chips. And exposing your plants to good amount of indirect sunlight can enhance its growth. So if you are ready to provide this artificial environment for your plants, you can grow any kinds of plants irrespective of place where you live. We hope that you understood how to select plants according to your climate and weather condition. In our next episode, we will let you know how to care your plants under heat stress and in extreme winter. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Bye until next time. We make different gardening products. We sincerely believe that our products will delight you. If you consider buying our products online, please refer to the link below in the description. If you want to know more about gardening, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.